Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's Saturday, time to go hang out with the hubs. So I'm gonna create something kind of simple. So if you want to see what look I come up with, you already know what to do. Keep on watching.
One time out of 10, two times won't you be mine? We just can't pretend this love thing.
So this is from Beauty Bakerie. It looks like so, and then it is the Beauty Bakerie. Proof is in the pudding. It's an eyeshadow palette. Oh wow. But man, this look today is gonna be. So this brush, this is from Lunar Beauty, and it is the LBE-1. And I'm gonna jump into that dark shade right here called Warm Cocoa. So this is not even that dark. I thought this is gonna be like dark, but not really. Ooh. This is like not that great. I'm gonna use this is E20 from Sigma, and we're gonna go into spicy caramel. I like how boring this looks. Spicy caramel. See, this looks so dark on the brush, but on my eye, it's like it is not that dark. I'm just gonna go back into this shade. I don't know. And then I'm gonna use this brush. This is from Alamar Cosmetics, and we're gonna go into mango pudding. It's like kind of an orangey shade, maybe like right here. And I'm just gonna put this. Use this just to buff the edges a little bit. Okay, so that's it for this eye. I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna do my other eye, and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're back, and time to talk about this foundation from Rare Beauty. So this is my shade, I think. I don't know, we'll see. So it doesn't have a pump. It has like a dofer, like so. So it feels good, I think. I feel like this shade might be a little bit dark for me, but it's okay. Oh, I can put them on my lip. So I'm actually gonna try this sponge. This is from Ruce Cosmetic, I think. I got it to my boxy charm, and then we're just gonna go ahead and I don't know if I'm getting the best application with the sponge, to be honest. Like, I don't know. And then I'm gonna go and do it with my brush. Tried and true brush. I feel like that's a little bit better. I don't know. I feel like this foundation is a little bit dewy. And for my concealer, I'm gonna use my one size concealer. And then here. Then here. And let's use this. This is from Tilbury, is the contour one. I might put a little bit more, but for now, let me go ahead and blend my concealer. Let's try this punch. I'm using the opposite side, like right here. I don't know, I feel like I need a little bit more concealer, just a little bit. Maybe my corner, maybe? Like right here. And then, where's that one? I think I need a little bit more contour. This girl went a little bit crazy. Ooh, look at this. So I like this. My other thing is I feel like it's hella messy. Now back to this brush. See, look at how this blends. Like it blends amazing. I just feel like it doesn't have a lot in a product, and I think there's one other shade that's darker than me, and I'm like, girl, like let's do better. I'm not almost your darkest like dark skin girl, you know, like. And sometimes she comes out with like a lot of shades, and then sometimes she's just like, oh, this one is a lot. And back to that sponge, and then I'm gonna use my setting powder from Tilbury. This is shade 1. I'm just gonna like put some of here, and I'm only using this for under my eye, like so. And now to set the rest of my face, let's go ahead do it and use this Haus lab powder. Like so. And to set the rest of my face,
oh, déjà vu.
I'm going back to my Frankenstein powder that I totally jacked. This is from Huda Beauty, but look at what I did this. Because there's like a little net that comes in it, and it wasn't doing it for me. So I was like, okay, I'll just cut off the net. So I took a scissors and I went to town. Bad idea. Because now everything just kind of falls off. Let me just put it at the base. This makeup look is like kind of boring, but you know what? That's what I had for my Boxy Jam box, so that's what we do. So we're gonna go in with warm cocoa. You know where I'm from? Like warm cocoa is like dark. This is almost like a reddish brown, which is not that dark, but that's what we got. So I mean, it's not boring. I think it's a cute like everyday look. I tend to gravitate more in like bold shades, but I know not everybody likes this. So what is this? Is butterscotched, and I'm just putting this in my inner corner. Now I'm trying to see what I'll put in my waterline. I don't want anything crazy because this look is very muted. This is from Pat McGrath, and which shade is this? Shade? Is that already called shade? This is a brown liner. I just didn't want to go something crazy because, you know, the eye is already like, so I want to stay in that situation. Oh, right here. Man, my husband and I took our air fryer apart, like totally apart, to like clean it up because I felt like it was just so dirty, you know. And just cleaning the pan wasn't just doing it. I wanted to go in there and just really clean it up. It's a good thing we're done, because I would be like fingerless, handless, because I feel like I lost something every time like we did something to it. Like I lost some part of my hand or finger or arm. Okay, and then I'm gonna use my ABH off to Costa Rica. And then I'm gonna take a tighter brush. I'm not gonna do anything too crazy. I say that and then I do. So I'm gonna go in with my Marc Jacobs, and I'm just gonna put this like right here. Oh, and this brush is 739 from Luxie. Okay, and for blush, man, I wonder if this blush is gonna work. Like, I don't know if this will be dark enough, like this right here. Let's see. This is from MAC. Which color is that? Pink Swan. And let us jump with some highlighter. I'm gonna use this highlighter from Rare Beauty, and it's just coincidence this one is Flunt. Let's kill that drink. Done. Okay, so let's go line the lip. Okay, and to line my lip, I'm gonna use Night Moth from MAC. This is what? This is Brick from Dose of Colors. I just want just a little bit. Like right here. And then we're gonna use this shade, which is Booty Call from Give Them Lada. And I'm just gonna put it in the center. And to set the face, I'm gonna use my Morphe setting spray. So that's it. Looking amazing. I know I have like foundation right here, but I can clean that up after. So yeah, that's it guys for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what? I'll see you on my next video.
Your beauty make them bow down. I need that body right now. Yeah. The love will never die down. Together we can fly now. So